which one is more important. Amen. And that's thought-provoking. Everybody wrote that down so that you can have it when we finish with our discussion. Here it is, some other thoughts that I put together. Whomever you partnering with can either make you or break you. Whomever you partnering with can either make you or break you. If you got married to someone who loves making debt and don't like to pay that debt finish, dan is dit 'n nagmerrie vir jou. As jy met 'n man of met 'n vrou getroud is wat hou van skuld, en jy is iemand wat getrou is om jou skuld. When you were single, you paid your account, whether it was your Edgar's account, whether it was your Markham's account. They never had to call you to say, Mr. Peterson, where is, I'm just calling an example. Peterson, come on now, but it's no reflection to Pastor Peterson, okay? It's a Peterson just comes up. It just comes up easily. Mr. Peterson, when you were young, Mr. Peterson never got a call when he was a young man from Markham's to say that your account is outstanding because he was so used to paying his debt. And now Mr. Peterson has fallen in love with a beautiful wife, with a beautiful person. He marries that person. That person now carries his last name. But what this person never told him, that she loves making debt. Here, asseblief, ek praat nie